see that? I said, yeah, the sea catcher will say, I planted that I got a teacher. When you're teaching here, or Baby classes with Yaman after school. Okay. Said, coffee. I said, the nature, I must say, if in case I'm in if you know, Rahabiana, Onyeni Paho, and Wentina, a friend.
Or you could is he good?
No, Kakra, Medimania, one idea. We said, oh, you're good, and I'll be usually doing one dance here. Chirami said, Ushaman Temo had only teaching here or church the more fun I deal with you.
What's with it? Mammy room, Kakra.
Okay.
I'm say, Madame will be sad about the good in inside the man. So we will say one drink and phone. And as a bunch is a ya, it's done a betray. See me just at the same age, Mobana dear. My chunk of what dear be Bremen, I'm so scholarship of Banana Buchin. Wow, so many scholarships. Probably black families also to come be brave. China, India, Afghanistan, Minkrow. And a Caribbean more family in summer, Nedachi and ye. Politicians be blue crew, I mean, I'm dear.
You, how old are you?
As what you when you politics one?
No, I don't do politics, but how old are you?
Oh, opinion, I guess in fear some crady. In Fantunche. Oh, yeah, my chin in petty be blue bad here. But sometimes I teachers for a credit and I don't come my head. Then the young children, any children, we need problem. And I was sassy crowns with the and paying for now, watch out, the background also not draining your fresh. The 23 man as I can eat him. Yeah.
Alright, so what we will need is your ID. I think you will do a photocopy of your ID.
My talking about
card,
identification card.
Yeah. Okay. And some tests, your blood samples and all that.
I said, you're family soldier.
Oh, Darby. Oh, yeah, my only daughter.
I
So
know,
I have to make sure, say, and yeah, I drain in Kwane, but Apomodin, Bibia, so you're okay,
Madam.
And then Nipa.
I know, Craig.
So I wouldn't.
Betty, man, no, said you. Yes, be a make of a banner hammy. Meaning the meeting. And then I will
take you to my doctor now. Check his animal.
Set me blood.
Yes, says our band to so I will take you to my doctor.
At the children. And then I said, BBC feed the other company.
What's the name?
What's it?
Your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
Oh, Chichiku. You can call me Professor Chichiku.
Okay. Yeah. So what subjects are you going to teach my daughter?
What?
What subject are you going to teach my daughter?
What
subject are you going to teach my daughter?
Daughter?
Yeah. My princess, I mean my princess.
Are you talking about a child?
Yeah.
And a daughter?
Alright, my daughter.
Yeah. Where did you complete your school? Because
where did you
complete your school? Because you are English, you need a teacher.
Where did I complete?
Yeah, your school.
And my English.
Yeah. You have to need a teacher.
Bro, are you sure he's a teacher?
Yeah, of course.
I'm a teacher. Open Uber,
I'm just not getting your language very well.
No, don't describe me by my language. You don't know me.
But Kofi, Nina say Nina Sebeya Bitia Macolano, a passing exams.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah, because
this is she, right?
I want to know the subject he's going to teach. What subject are you going to teach her?
Oh, bruh, it's so many subjects. As teaching, no teacher,
That's what I want to know.
You are not a teacher. If I explain, you won't understand.
I want to hear it. So, what subject?
We have English, Maths, Social, ICT, RME.
No, I said Maths, Science, and English.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, because once I Caribbean or build it, English, ICT, Maths, Social, and then RME. And religious and moral education too.
That one too. You're good.
Okay, so Princess is going to be your teacher. Okay, so after school you will come and rest, and I think that won't be necessary. Okay, so after school we're going to meet him. Okay, are you okay with that? Are you sure? Yes. Learn from mommy. Okay, whatever he will tell you to do, make sure you do it. And if something bothers you, you can ask him or you can come and ask me, okay?
And please don't forget to bring your CV. Okay?
Hmm?
I want to go.
Okay.
I want to go across your CV.
I don't know if you are now.
Yeah, he's my brother and she is my daughter and that's my wife. So
You do be a chuma because I see you.
but I don't see anything wrong with what I'm
No,
asking
but I
you.
said, I'm my soul.
I just know what I'm saying. So
I
you
know,
need to
but
clear-
I said you are too confident and you talk as if you are the owner. Even the man who employed me don't even ask for my CV. But you're asking for my CV. Why?
The man who did what?
Employ me haven't asked for my CV. But you're asking for my CV.
Well, that's fine.
Okay, just by the way, Chichi, Nyame Boa starting Monday.
Alright. We could meet me at BB Kuma be as an bear.
See the
Oh, no, let him allow
Meet
him.
me
Allow him.
now, Ness, and
It's
Allow him.
okay.
Monday.
She needs to rest.
Allow him.
She needs to rest.
What can I say?
Class 6.
Which class are you? Class 6. Oh, this is heavy much of form not on queue.
Oh, you're very brilliant.
And I'm
so
at
you
one
have
level now, so I'm a checkos. Which is phone,
Darling, we will
Okay.
be inside. I have to take care of something.
Thank you. Chichi, then let me drop you so that you can get
Send your boy and see. I must your boy anymore. And this is you bread Japadian. Wait to come for Japadi. And Cassain, you naturally be as a only fears who say, will be more dream when you see the dream sign.
But and say you just do the work for me.
That's what I cannot
Forget about it.
be a do see feel great high say. One hour better if you don't make a canaca not so. One say, I be winning. So maybe winning.
Bro, is everything alright?
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah, could be other assistant Kunyana. Yeah, Mammy drop you on set time. Me call shield.
boy, anyway, where is if you are coming to obey?
Yes, you'll be an suban.
There be us one who almost almost too much. I will see you now, family will see.
Eh, or more so, I won't say, it's like Obeki
Who says you know, family, so we say.
Maybe my
No, Kofi.
Well, maybe you forgot.
Man is also we are parent to Quadia.
Nah,
What's it
maybe
there?
you forgot to ask about it, so I don't see anything wrong with
Bet
me
you are
asking
too,
Okay,
you are
Chichi,
too, you are too,
be fast and
you are
let's
too
go.
rushing.
What is wrong with me asking you about your CV?
You are too, you didn't take me for work, but you are rushing me for my CV. That mean your original, and I said, me in Chradia. Can be just a Chradia.
I'm not saying you're not a teacher. That's
Huh?
not what I'm saying. I only want to see your CV.
And I'm
Simple
saying,
as
what
that.
the other, you know, what the other
I want to go through your CV
CV.
because you hear saying you teach English. What is English?
$1.
What?
$1.
Daughter, yeah.
And no, we say CV.
You can go.
We can go now, Becca. Right, we are saying, you know, you can't be on some first
You
one.
can go, bro.
Any area. Why? You be paid to my 50 more. You are boss me, bow. You paid to my 50 more. I will
Your name again?
From.
English.
We are homework now on the mountain. And what? Why not trade? See ya. Bracket to me, say, why not trade? Cassa, Anne, and no 100 train, no, who to form me, boy. Huh? You see there, what is a soil profile? Once one no, if you come back, not can be just common soil profile. You can do it. This will be assistant one side.
I can do it.
If you can do, why can't you do it by right now? You wait for me to come before you do it. What is a soil profile?
Actual it.
Now, I didn't go.
You say, you're kind. But you are not supposed to bring something inside.
What am I not supposed to bring?
I know you can bring it, but this one.
Yeah. So Usuba say ya no nyema say ni minimi Usuba no. I don't think as me ba ho am person me ba ho no. I can bring a number and I'm going to make one with your better match today.
Teacher say, what you change?
Which Jones has not reading him. What is a soil proofer? We say what is a soil proofer? And the homework assignment on the so no can kind of mention
What
is a soil proofer?
What is soil proofer? Soil proofer is a cross-sectional view.
So different so. Also you minim that is my bay. Also different so.
Let me slow down. Soil proofer. Soil proofer. It is a cross-sectional view of a soil.
What's waiting?
Betty.
What's waiting?
Teacher me.
We meaning soil proofer is not a cross section that if any teacher tell you that soil proofer is a cross section.
You are totally wrong.
I'm totally wrong.
Yes.
For which reason?
Stay.
Let me give you my explanation of a soil proofer. The
on.
best explanation when you go to Google or when you go to
go on. Go open cross-sectional view.
Cross-sectional view of Google that when the soil proofer when it comes to the Google explanation, soil proofer is the soil.
Soil proofer. I was subject being. Soil proofer. Subject being a wood. Subject.
Another.
Being a wood.
In English.
What?
A giant amateur. Soil proofer, Nina Brofo. So what kind of brofinim? Let me give you my explanation for soil proofer.
Okay, go on.
Soil proofer is a soil that have a proofer and a proofer picture.
Hey.
Hey.
Thank you.
Give me the types of soil proofer.
What type of soil proofer?
The type of soil.
Types of soil.
Yeah.
Types of soil. Types of soil proofer.
Types of soil. You know when I say this types of soil proofer.
Yeah, what types of soil proofer?
Sure, media. Say me cannot be on this over to me. Man, can't type of soil proofer. I see any type of soil proofer. Now, if you didn't what can you do to the type of soil proofer? Give me types of soil proofer.
I should give you what?
Types of soil proofer.
They were parent rock.
And a sedimentary rock. And I'm what?
Hey,
sedimentary rock will come on. A sedimentary rock can come on. Huh?
Yes, our topsoil. Yes, our.
And a day.
Your bedrock.
Hey. Can you know that? Can you know? What is you? Can you know? What can you know?
Means what I watch
your parents rock.
Yeah, my kind of sabe. What's that win? What's that win?
Now the coming can't me what? You was sedimentary.
Hey,
you were topsoil. And your bedrocks. Me boy. Oh, one day. Give me the types of soil as in general, soil in general. Give me the two types of soil.
There are 2 types of soil. There were 4, but 4 on the ground. There were like a dose types of soil in a dose.
It's one how teacher name yet. Said a woman that.
Clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, and silt soil.
To one I will tell me, my dear, I'm in a major idea. I didn't know the member catch on whom fair moon not done say, oh, so quite not with tea free baby, minimum of free. Now what the banner was I be all by better me, my dear, me boy.
Yes.
Huh?
That's why I said, what dear, one
yeah, we are a crab aquana mature idea. Give me different, be free to warm me by and go to and I found a soda hospital. When yet, ya dear man, what I saw down the Indian with some Se pre na wo pre na minim e na say wa hwe ya kotuba ko pese e me mo agya de wo ye nyina na fo wati de me meka kire one na ka say 4 times or so yo
There were 4 times.
ah wo kwete ne say times or so e 4
and you 4 cry toss. But that time they ask you. Yes. Inside there, never putting that. Because of spelling it.
Trase. Me ha. Me mo aso go boden ma be wante. Racket 21 anu pele mini. Fame.
See the budget.
The budget is one real one transfer one. You can't always say.
What you?
Tear me.
What you?
Spend money. Asanka sana meya na. Me mistake in ko yesi.
Hey!
Hey!
Wow. It's your baba children. When you
Oh yeah. We na ye.
What's your commas?
What is? Ah, mas akopede. We na ye fa we no. Watchna. Me bantem. Misrew. Enya afi na maba na afi na wo se dem na ye betietie mafrew. Memra na wote ya preko. What did I make a joke? Okay. We know kwa you be twa bia no no. Why? Say na my should be sunu we should be TV.
Teacher ni bia obetra classes oh. Okabo. So won't see like one understand ya. Yeah, teacher not children or the trainers started my test and what the book not yet. Tree one or becca.
And can't bro for that.
Tree one or becca. Men say one or several couple who cry.
Never say bro from the yamo. Maybe bro for me becca. So what don't use your bro now come bro for. Kaka becca at the end of the yamo.
Who will take it say walk for America. That's a casa cabo for so to me.
Say bro from the try take it, you know.
Teacher.
Yeah, the bro from the try take it.
Where's your handkerchief?
Well, for it me. Why?
Kofi. Yo, please come.
I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is good, bro.
Okay. You do it more.
Yeah, okay.
To take off 5 feet.
Alright.
So, yeah, what I'm asking.
Alright, sure.
Hey, so you're going to take it
You mean?
Yeah, sure. Hey, right. Coffee.
We know enu ade na me de ma no. De me yema no twa. Ah? Na wunni mu no, o ma ki o anfa buku na ama. Ah? Then we hear mass no more. Yeah, ojibic expression. Ojibic expression. Do you know ojibic expression? Mesro, we na me mass. Concentration here. Say me can na the two, me can na the two. I won't so dem ko na won theory. What did I make at you? Follow the me native the me can. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so now no topic I tackle on the leg. A long division.
Okay.
Because a long division a simple topic I want my so a teacher needs them. Now stay focused on one with me.
Okay.
Anything we know what in what long no. A man a simple topic. My church will be one children will be able to 100. A long division. When we say long division, long division is about dividing a long numbers into a one answer. If you are dividing a long number into one answer, let me give you a similar example. 2 raised to the power a 2. It is a 2 way near Wahano. And no never could divide this numbers in a way. What I say? Into 2 no katam 2 na what did the better a share? When we know the fed border. What did the better border? So if the 2 cross the border, it is a 2 no cross a share.
Yes.
Yeah, you oh, nice. So you long to be doing
Oh,
because we are one paying for no but you're looking so brashy.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Bye, mommy.
Bye.
We know a trash here and as a better we know any be divided winning after the division, no, a one will be the long answer. What you say? So anything find a long division into bracket, long answer. 82 no say a trash any be drew her a fay and any with the so we would mean the point that we will not 2 ni mumuna have a set a she and I say I want to now. Who was on TV as a bit with what you say, uncle? Say 2 ni way the corners with me defeat when you don't soon. I feel 2 no mumuno. About better pro today. You don't matter how I half plot, I won't see you. They must high half plot.
I show it.
And now can wait to simple.
Let's see. In peace. Like this. 2, 3, 2, 2. Oh. About what you say.
You see, one day you have classes.
Strength. So 1 is 2. So you bring this one down. 2 near the neck and give it down. Nanka was subtracted. Subtract. So subtract. Let's see if 1. So 3 minus 2.
Enemy was saying, why nature?
The one that she had.
Why nature?
2 times what to give you 1. It didn't be 12. Like really the young to check us not young working on 12 into 2 to 8. 2 times what to give you 2. The base is 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 6 12.
Boss. Yeah.
Yeah, the grammar to fool.
But Obani dear, I said, wow, Begina, wow, contribute there because I did a and have been careful. I was so much or to meet the book now, remember than a student, no, not than a teacher. No, it's not there anywhere. And you're crying because I made work for so many years. Say you're crying because I did crying and they have normal. Maybe it's not only to meet the book now, remember than a student, not why teacher. Batty. You see, no one now watch them here and I said, maybe I mentioned. Mommy.
Oh, then my mentor, let's say, I'm watching. Nti 2 enya na we ya 2 na we nti ebe ma 6. Now we multiply na ya 12. Nti 2 na ebe kan 2 times 2. It is possible 2 1 2 no one throw 1 ashe. The 6 no any. So 2 1 2 na what throw. Nti what is 0 no be back down. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Nti once after be 1 6 1. So say kwan ya opeso obetima chicken say what the 1 6 1 na ba. Now I multiply by 2. Into 2 1 2 2 6 4. So 2 remainder 1. 2 1 2. That's 1 3. Yes, my answer is correct. Which chankra? What? Mathematics check my answer.
Which say?
Me are 3 2 2 now.
Yes, family say that.
Alright.
So we see when I watch it. Na see me nyane. Me dey me dey buy no one dey free me tell me.
91.
I think so me na me tu aka na say wo na me tu me meka.
Na be tua meka. Asa say teacher kra wa bondo. Na bond. Me sure say o train kwa na omo ti ase. Omo ti ase wa mbe.
Wo wie wo dia no so me nkyere me so me die.
Train so when
wo wie wo formula me ba long division you so many formulas. I'm so me nkyere me formula.
You can see it. Wait. My main fan show. Oh, answer me 1 6 1. Oh, may multiply by 2. 2 na sham. Obe multiply. Once answer me incorrect. Opa hwe. Se me boa. Obetima hwe. Eya answer na wa ha me sa wo yi. Nti so just try. Go formula. Na me hwe.
Oza wo child dem so me yedi na me tie wo.
Na bi wan yedi. Ko na wo ye no. E pa je so yedi. Wa ha so ba ko se.
Wan ye ko no wan tie mi a.
Ma ye ko.
Unya o answer na say.
Me answer me.
And say no.
1 6 1.
1 6 1.
Oba be copycat. Copycat. Ah, machine feel. You copy na. Copy. Teacher na.
Man copy me dey answer no. Answer man copy me dey answer no.
Ti apache say wa bomb ni hwe. I will tell my mommy.
You tell your mommy.
I will tell.
Wo pra me kire wan answer what me akura kwesi anim akoyi answer na answer nye the same answer. Nye the same answer.
Oba be copy no. Copycat machine feel.
Answer we no. Me so me by the same thing. So we be move the 2. Listen to me. You move the 2 from this side to the other side. It is a 2 ni free side eba this side. That means I better have plot. Half plot not a full plot. But the 2 ni ba I better plot in the 2 ni mo better plot na so.
I better half plot.
Half plot. The half plot remember say who see 3 bedrooms cry. So who see 3 bedrooms cry. What our best start be free I say. The most one in the bibia grandma. They must 3 bedrooms na half plot na for. They must say enkwate 3 bedrooms ni free 2 ni near hali. What 3 bedrooms every 2 ma I can say.
What today?
What 3 bedrooms every 2 ma I can say.
Enti mi kobo. 3 and 2.
What 2 free 3 ma I can say. I can say.
I can 1.
That's it. It's now not being 1 room.
Like anchor 1 room, but that's a never 1. But remember the
Ade na wo tie de me ka ni momu no na de wo ade enti ha no benya wana that means ha na is 1 room ti 1 room no wo betimi sa che 1 room na fi wo nya half enti for half no afi sa half na sa be divided 2 no was a long division there was a we are betimi will be echna you ever say what the 2 half no ebe multiply 2 na wo betime say 2 na sa be ka 1 na sa say 3 bedrooms ti ba sa ko si echi o why frustrated na ni enya 3 bedrooms it would have 3 bedrooms no what the sa multiply 3 bedrooms no times the long division ubenya say the same answer ni people don't have 3. What's that to multiply that long division na? That means how long division no multiply that 3 bedrooms no? Ubesenya 161. I feel once I once and me answer this year. That's it. Paper try.
My name that's what.
I could don't marry type. Cause stress I from the minimum would be just what you could be I do good run the fever that they would put you or the booby when we say they were in wetty but on the way. I cry away like as a minimum. So she had your home. Was all tray, I don't know what he came once and a brother, but they will be not holding. Blessing. Blessing. I could say, me telling my grandmother, teacher, everyone. I could reach them, my dear, make me sweat the eye to baby. While we are meeting at the because and near my me changes that one was your tremo. I passed as a Pascuna matron. But that's a bosom, I saw imagine bosom, I get to you. When I say, oh, move better than me, teacher, I'm found. What is that? Blessing. When your daddy come, tell me I'm good, okay? Papa, we chip, papa is saying I'm there. Bosom, I get you.
More tissue. My boy Tata. I think it's for what maybe she should. Oh, no way. What should we?
Maybe I'll go home with the car with you.
Kofi.
Kofi, bro. Many are what you're way. You saw a panel and now inclination. But at the same time, what's our other things? You could try to do that.
Yes, bro.
Things are changing these days. Why?
You know, I can't be the same.
Are you sure?
Oh, that's how life is.
No, I'm suspecting something. You know, I know you. I've known you for quite some time now. The way you behave. If there's something, just tell me.
Oh, I'm normal.
Okay. Anyway,
Okay.
I have a good news for you.
Okay.
You remember the contract I was telling you about? That multi-dollar contract.
Yeah.
I spoke to the minister. She gave me the go-ahead. But now the onus lies on you. I just want you to go through. Just go through.
So?
Go through. Just go through.
Wow.
You haven't seen anything yet and you are saying, wow.
No,
just go through.
the contract,
Yes.
I'm waiting for the contract long time. So I'm happy for you.
You've been waiting for the contract?
Yes. Hey, Cheche. Okay, then I'll go through at the evening time.
Are you sure?
Check everything here.
It's a multi-dollar contract.
I know everything.
Don't forget, don't let this contract bypass us.
It will never.
Alright, in that case, let's talk about this over later.
Thank you.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye. Oh, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm fine, boss.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Should I offer you something?
Oh, please, it's okay.
No, okay.
It's okay. Boss, we did buy your bonnet.
Okay.
Let me say, when you two are, me and I'm a at the end crisis in this animal. Na boss, your main queenie. Obana marriage and I did.
Like how?
Minim, I can't minim too much. I say, as a debia, watching at the end, one who said, you're watching in your credit. You are no more dreaming in your credit. And all the tour, no, the tour. Who can't say no, so can different. Was a boss pay at the chair, and at the chair, the ABC, the Nipana watching at you. So I'm running once here. Why watching Muntimin man in Tiasi?
I am a packet one in the yes,
Upon a yes, sir. If you cry, me the nation, I say, no, on this, sir. But I'll question who's a very shooting, you know. And my friend, my simple because we can't be a chance, Anna. Me Babette Obano. Who could do any me the flu. Oh, yeah, because I saw this say, we can't work, we can't work.
One thing is, and yes, sir, one facade in our father's. Because say
me be me didn't I mean per se me the bahana fi be I say yes be
I have been with and council the Canadian coffee.
I said what's a fool?
Oh, the food. But only one thing is and never find the casa. It makes you say on some Friday or Monteti egg. When you go to the say of as a intensity, messing say you
because me the nation say on this. No will be an associate as what cancer fast. Most young cancer when you work no yet, but then I know the woman grammar ground yet. Ah, Mitiasi, as maybe be an unusual. None of whom was here, the man, I know what you know. On sounds of go school, be a school, dear, come maybe the one yet. The boss message when I feel so much, you know. I don't know. Sakwana Mechana, the other had to say, Mitiasi. I said, BB to where we are not theatre was at least. Was I be a professional and then maybe yes, I am. Maybe go house to house of crisis. My church, I think, to do baby. Okra consideration, but they can't come a level. Anyway, Papa made Chadiana a consideration.
Mamma Casimiro, consideration. I say, you will see Casaro, Casa, Emma, one actor, Wellington. Because you see Casimiro, you consideration. Then at least I paid you according to your work. In Tino, so because of and what church true for my baby, it's also good to it.
Of course, maybe to yes, can because I mean, as a teacher, no, the job is first. My work is first. After my work is the payment. Then maybe dream more than payment. You know, I said, Metro Banana Diana Dachibia, but by being a petit and I made you know any payment.
Then thank you. When we think of some made the man, the battles of eating. Then the reason when Tiamamo Fanny, yes, and two or balance of the message because and was said that Yaminwaka Missanasi. No one, the walkie candy, Ness also be having battle cacra. No, boss, at least me Yama from with the bet, I can't name one. Okay, but I can't put here for to be as a crab teacher, and she don't act as a student. And one thing about how to take care of a children is say, we about try to mention more Friday. Into Yesu Christo quantity me as I was a mom of final coin, no maintain. Now one sign of one company for us, who would say them of flat as ethnicity. It would let me go home and talk to my wife and my daughter. Okay, boss. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I hope say mini problem. Mini problem. Say no problem and coming from my I don't have any problem, but just talk to them. And no one can send every man in Yambre because boss are the children for more. And son, I want you to cry the amount crying till the work and boss. Enough money easy. Matty, take this as transportation. Oh, boss, oh, no. What you bad is we are not what you from Bush make it to me. And mouse can't even feel where you would take us TNT. I will pass you doing to maintain go 50 days. 50 days maintain. I tell the boss, Meko, Yan Habit, Bibian soon you'll be to make a Matty. Let's do that. Thank you, sir. Okay. What's the chance? I didn't know, sir. But I said, the baby was said, when I'm here, road and construction minister. Ghana, for the old canteen of Ochichim come on. I think before I speak, that's it. Because the babies are more. I'll take my leave. Okay, thank you. If anything you hear from me, thank you. And you are the teacher, and before I walk, you as a teacher, look at the English that you are speaking.
You and the teacher.
You as a teacher.
Because you are be as a boss, I'm going to tell you something. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Greeting.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hey, please don't forget to bring me the dresses on Friday. You know I have a place to go. I have a wedding to attend to.
The wedding is Saturday.
Yes, I told you.
I'll bring them.
Hi, Mandy.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Please, I've placed some things at the hall. Please kindly check for me and arrange it.
All right.
Thank you.
Look at you. Stop it.
Why are you staring at him?
Him.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Yes, him.
Yeah, I know. Who is he?
Who is who? Who is who?
Stop it.
Don't start. I beg, don't start.
Why are you like this?
Hey. What?
What?
Don't go there.
Stop
I
it.
beg
now.
you.
Who is he?
Who is who? Who is who? You came to visit me, my friend. What?
Who is he?
That's my husband's brother. What?
Nothing. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey.
So you will need the dress on Saturday.
Me uncle.
Stop it now. You will need the dress on
I
Saturday.
will need it. Tell you something. You should see me. I need some money.
And this time at the night, you need money.
It's 4 a.m. What do you mean by this time of the night? What's the best time for me to tell you that I need something?
Baby, please, let's make it in the morning, okay?
You can't even ask me what I need the money for, or the amount of money that I need. Like, let's be real. I need some money. I want to talk to you. I need some money.
How much?
1,000.
Baby, you know, I can't provide it today. So let's make it. This week, I'll give it to you.
Today is Wednesday, so make sure by the close of the week, I'll get it.
It means you are forcing me or what?
I'm not forcing you. I need it. It's urgent. I need to get some stuff. So, what is the persuasion in this thing?
But your facial expression, the mood that you used to talk, meaning.
Wait, I need 1,000. You said you can't get it to me today, right? I can't have it today, right? So I'm telling you, I will need it by the close of the weekend. Let's not stress ourselves. You can go back to sleep.
Chichi, how are you doing?
Oh yeah, I'm great.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, please.
Yeah, afternoon.
Boss, please, the man who was owing you brought me 4,000 yesterday.
4,000.
Yeah. So I've made a budget of the items we need.
And where's the balance?
He didn't say anything, he just gave me that.
My catcher was will be discovered as his cannons one and I didn't know the 4,000. Okay. Go.
Okay. Can I take it along?
Take it.
Thank you.
Chichi.
Also, the book was yesterday.
I said, could be a madika, my money warning pa. Or when this can to and say, knock a cake.
I refuse to me by now, Yamanaka.
Aha, Chichi. The interior flow had not said. Maybe so be a pen in pa. It's no watch in your bachelor. School with your children and a mass foul. And that bound within come on, say, my catch was a many of friends within Kubusa. Then she wouldn't be beer. Teacher, no, little. And then I'll cost between you and the teacher.
Sometimes he always said that he beats me.
He beat you.
I said, boss,
And he even told me that he even knocked somebody.
Hey.
Man, cannot be the infant.
No.
I know, boss. I said, my baby can't say.
And can't you have from who catch me? And can't you have who catch us? I will not kill you. What did you say? Who Ben, I will not look into but I panic.
No, panicking with the tunnel, send a bear. Warrior gave me a say, now, beat me a jam. Say, me mono bet me can't, dear, between 3 miles. So we be in your bejay. Oh, yes, a may catch and say, be a betrayal to just a betrayal to. So because of Bukum, I suppose Bukum.
Teacher cool. So what can say?
No,
she mean I'm no Cassam for winning and Mamma, I don't want this.
Boss me man,
We now are being tears and Madame Hosso. So what can say there? Won't me my own children, they be more. I will just leave you and go. Because one thing with your car, without or you have nothing to do with me. Huh? Teacher, I respect you as my daughter's teacher. It is wrong. Take care of my daughter for me, please.
Boss, as you said, I don't know the reason why every day this girl has a problem with me. I don't know. As it stands still, I don't understand.
As
it stands still, I don't understand. But it's all good. I'm the teacher and she is the student, so she should accept this as a student.
Little, do you like him to teach you? Do you like him as your teacher?
No.
Little, for the second time, do you like him to be your teacher?
No.
Chichi, you see my daughter? I will just sack you and go.
Oh, boss, we meet me as I can because now Grandma is who hear me about me.
No.
Boss, maybe I don't know, minimum probably, but what Jenny may be arming here. Minimum at the potty, media probably every time they are probably more progress. You compare me too much. I don't understand. Ah, yes, I can remember.
Yes.
In you, Meddy. Now, when you're in a film.
I'll not get nothing.
You see, so a time and I'll ban time. Was a what or ban a car, when I can be sending me, but Yamitiasi. A bed.
Little.
So, ban what time all the time. A car cream when I can be sending me, but Yamitiasi a bed. What I told you want from me? No, boss, no.
You were teacher, you said what I told you from me.
Say, Shama dear,
what dear?
Type of soil, see a woman, near while you walk. 3 is a 4.
And you watch them one day, say you him that. You come here, teacher. No. Minim the old chapel, we are the boss. Maybe what can some run walk fifi. And yes, we are children. We have
so what me ya no tea.
Me chana me met me the book which I me chana me met the book.
And then Colano or my ban tinta fidi no money can't cow so that it woo ban. No one
that's true. That is really true.
What they can't go crown with the over
They also praise you.
It doesn't think I
will be the Aquani house at Catherine's what Tiana, but who Gina, like I say, what
just keep quiet.
No, sure. What's it? Hey, don't shout at your teacher, eh? You get it?
Yes.
Okay. T, I respect you. Me Kasabi, call Mr. O'Shea.
Maybe they better me.
Why you want to say?
Who say me match your papa? You are destroying me to your father, right?
No.
Do you remember I'm your teacher?
You don't teach me well. Types of soil cry when teacher to say what is all go on and away home. A crack won't go.
How many types of soil do you have?
4 or 3. There are even many.
Name them. Whatever so they my main chip name them.
Loamy soil, clay soil, sill soil, and sandy soil.
Sandy soil. Ni nyina firi me wa praketo me na me tena se atwire ni nyina ma wa se wo de sua we ne baba ku tumi se da
ba catch am say emienu enya wa
me ka de emienu me ka de ne de
o ka sa say loamy soil and clay soil
na o na na sa de me ka je le nim
na ewu
na afi de bio
na enye mienu
na ye say
4
sa phone bi na ka de empanyumfo de a ohun sa loamy ne silt na empanyumfo de a and across your standard, who's you do a bit for 3 more badam. Meaning the India of an more pressure, I don't know.
The Ben I'll kick our home.
Chichi, that's so dear. Yammy boy, you may
so dear,
was no, may share up to end of this month, no matter into the brother children. Why? My name because I finish with now, but training is changing.
You propose any Marco.
Okay, riding count.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hey, why are you preparing your hands?
Thank you. What for them? Hey, pull it go. All right, let me teach you how to. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So let's do this.
All right, let's do this. Yeah, hold it. Yeah. Let's go.
You're scared. Hey.
I just wish we can get our own apartment and spend the rest of our life over there. I don't want to see it.
You see, that was the main reason why I wanted you to do that.
That's not a good idea. No matter what, he is my brother.
It doesn't make me happy. Let's do something.
Let me get you pregnant.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No.
So with that, I think he wouldn't get any option.
No. Even having one child was a problem. It was a big mistake for me. I'm not going to date him. If I look at my body, I can't Just to show me over the sake of children.
Really?
I want is okay, yeah. And yeah, I'm not going to have anyway. Okay.
Alright.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Right.
Really enjoying it.
Sorry. Alright. Yo. Hey. Guys, you no, I don't know how.
Yeah, I miss you too, mom. Oh, sure, sure, sure. Okay, mom. Okay, mom. Yeah, everyone is fine. Everyone is fine, yeah. Oh, yeah, mom. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's such a nice person. Yeah, and beautiful as well. She's taking very good care of the family over here. Yeah. Yes, mom. Yes, mom. I can't wait to see you. I miss you so much. I miss you so much, mom. Sure, sure. You don't worry. I'll send you some money. Okay. I'll send you some money. Okay. Okay. I roll. I roll, mom. I roll. Yeah. I love you too. I love you so, so, so much. You know, you're always my first love. Yeah. Okay, mom. Sure, sure, sure. All right. Bye. Hey, little princess. Sit down. Yeah. Sit down.
That's who are you talking to?
Yeah, I was talking to your granny, grandma.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wish to go there.
Really?
I wish to see her.
Really?
Yes, my parents don't want to take me there.
Are you sure about that?
Yes,
Maybe they're not having the time to take you there, so don't take it as they don't want to take you to see grandma.
okay.
But
I'm sure you can take me there.
sure, don't worry, okay? I'll surely take you to grandma so that you go spend some days with your grandma, okay?
Okay. Like, I've heard that there are some big animals in the village.
And who
I
told
like to
you?
go there.
Who told you?
Looks like my parents, yes.
Oh, well, that is true. That is true. So,
Wow.
well, if you want to see them,
And I've heard that there's a coconut tree there. Is that true?
yes, there is coconut everywhere. Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah.
That's nice.
So don't worry, princess. I will surely take you to the village. You go spend some days with your grandmother, okay?
Okay.
So what were you doing in there?
Oh, I wanted you to help me with my assignment.
Again, I've been telling you to try to do your assignments by yourself. What if one day I traveled and I'm not around? Who is going to help you do it?
I will force.
Then you should start forcing, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Hey.
Yes, dear.
Why you?
I'm late, that's why. Yeah. That's how I live.
No. What's wrong?
I said I don't have any problem. Why?
Your face doesn't look good.
Oh, so when you said the action, I make a so sad I'm in bed.
I know it's because of what happened yesterday. I know, honey, I was tired, you know. That's why. Don't worry, okay? When you get back to them,
No.
Me on Adeba say Sani ma Wushian because first now want is
So I'm your wife. Like I can get tired sometimes. You know. I was just tired
thank
and
you.
I was. Hey. Yeah.
Trust me and say the master.
No worry, okay?
Thank you.
Tonight you're going to break legs. Right?
Okay, what's it?
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Take care.
Alright. Bye.
Madam, I'm waiting for a blessing.
So?
Oh, madam, I'm surprised. Why, don't you know me?
Yeah, I know you.
Oh, yeah.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for teaching. I want to teach blessing before I go home.
She's busy today, so you can go home. Okay?
Please, come again.
I said she's busy today, so you can go home.
For...
Let me be sincere. I'm not going to allow you to teach my child again.